present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is a very important tense in English, and it is new in our language because we don't have this time in Arabic. We don't have present perfect tense, so we should listen carefully. Adverbs that come with the present perfect tense are the following: just, كون أو فقط, already مسبقا, yet, لحد الآن, for لمدة, since منذ, قبل, هل سبق, never, مطلقا. Form of the present perfect tense, the form, الصيغة, المضارع التام, have أو has, plus past participle. The positive sentences: she has just finished training. She has just finished training. She is the subject. Has finished is the form of the present perfect, صيغة المضارع التام. Just is the adverb of the present perfect between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Training is the complement of the sentence. He has already celebrated Christmas. We have the subject he, and the present perfect tense has celebrated, احتفل. The adverb already is between the auxiliary verb has and the main verb celebrated. Christmas is the complement. Negative sentences. If we want to make the positive sentences negative, we should put not after the auxiliary verb has or have. For example, he hasn't yet spent half an hour running. Haven't they already sent Christmas cards? This sentence are combined, مركبة من the negative and the question. The negative and the question. We make the sentence negative by putting not after the auxiliary verb have. وضعنا الجملة في حالة النفي عندما وضعنا not بعد الفعل المساعد have. Now, and we make this sentence also question by putting the auxiliary verb before the subject. وجعلنا الجملة سؤالا عندما وضعنا الفعل المساعد مع أداة النفي not قبل الفاعل they. Haven't they already sent Christmas cards? لم يرسلوا لحد الآن بطاقات لكريسماس, أعياد الميلاد. When should I use the present perfect tense? متى أستخدم المضارع التام؟ Unfinished actions, أحداث التي لم تنتهي بعد. I've known Karen since 1994. عرفت كريم منذ 1994. She's lived in London for 3 years. أعزائي الطلبة, this is not she is, this is she has. How do we know? كيف عرفنا أن she has? Because if it is, we should put living, but this is lived in the past participle. So الصيغة المختصرة, the summarized symbol should be has and not is. يجب أن تكون has لأن الفعل الرئيسي في التصريف الثالث وليس في continuous form. She's lived in London for 3 years. يعني لحد الآن هي تعيش في لندن. I've worked here for 6 months. Finished actions, أحداث التامة. Here I have been to Tokyo. يعني لقد كنت موجود في العاصمة طوكيو وليس الآن, يعني انتهى وجودي هناك. They have visited Paris 3 times. لقد زاروا باريس 3 مرات ولم يعودوا يزوروها الآن. We have never seen that film. لم يسبق لنا رؤية ذلك الفيلم. Thank you very much.